In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to Columbia University. If you're applying as an undergraduate, a great place to begin is Columbia Undergraduate Admissions How to Apply page. This is where you can review the official process and make sure you understand exactly what the university expects before you submit anything. The first thing you'll need to do is choose your application platform. Columbia accepts the Common Application, the Coalition Application, and the QuestBridge application for students who are QuestBridge finalists. The important thing here is to select the platform that fits your situation best and then complete your application carefully within that system. Since each platform organizes information a little differently, it helps to get familiar with the layout early so you can avoid last-minute confusion. Next, you'll need to choose which undergraduate school you're applying to. Columbia requires you to apply to either Columbia College or Columbia Engineering, and you cannot apply to both. This decision matters, so take a little time to understand which option best matches your academic interests and long-term goals. Make sure your choice is clear before moving forward because your application will be evaluated within that specific school. After that, you'll need to submit the required materials. This includes the application fee, which is $85 and non-refundable, unless you qualify for a fee waiver. You'll also need to provide your academic records, including your official high school transcript, your high school counselor's recommendation, your school profile, and your mid-year report. In addition, Columbia requires 2 teacher evaluations. These recommendations are an important part of your application, so it's a good idea to request them early and give your teachers enough time to write thoughtful letters on your behalf. You'll also want to know that Columbia is test optional. That means submitting SAT or ACT scores is not required. If you feel your scores strengthen your application, you can choose to self-report them. If not, you can still apply without them. This gives you some flexibility, but the key is to make a decision that reflects your strongest overall application. Finally, be prepared to complete Columbia-specific questions. These are supplementary short answer responses designed to help the admissions team understand how you connect with Columbia's curriculum and community. Take your time with these responses because they give you a chance to show fit, personality, and genuine interest in the university. Once you've chosen your platform, selected your school, gathered your materials, considered your testing choice, and completed the supplemental questions, you'll be in a strong position to submit your application with confidence.